Okay, welcome back, my wonderful viewers. This is still 0.5 tutorial. This is just in continuation to the previous one I did. Now, here is the question. Say you're given this question to simplify. Alright, so going with respect to the initial example we did the last time out. You just write solution after much. You just need to figure out the fractions that are mixed fractions, forgive me. Here, when you figure them out, you say convert. If these are fractions, we have 1 number 1 over 5. We also have 3 whole number 1 over 2. And we have 1 whole number 3 over 4. You convert all to improper word fraction. So when you do that, it now implies that 1 number 1 over 5 is equal to 6 over 7. 3 number 1 over 7, 3 number 1 over 2 is 7 over 2, and 1 number 3 over 4 will be 7 over 4. So therefore, everything implies that this question, which is 1 number 1 over 5 plus multiply by, forgive me, by 3 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 8 plus 1 whole number 3 over 4 is the same thing as 6 all over 5 multiplied by bracket 7 all over 2 divided by 1 over 8 plus 7 all over 4. So the new thing we are working with now with this. So we have to take our eyes off from here and concentrate here. Now you look at this, we have multiplication, we have bracket, inside we have division, and we also have what? Addition. So with regards to these different signs, there is a need for us to call what? Bodmas. It's using Bodmas. Now if you are wondering why we need Bodmas, without Bodmas you will not know the right format to follow, and you might end up having different answers. You will definitely end up, it's not even might, you will end up having different results. So we have to use Bodmas to respect ourselves. So when you use Bodmas here, you discover that the bracket is the first thing we'll consider because it is the first in the family of Bodmas. Alright, so here we go. Let me take this guy up and make it very clear to the rest of you. Thank you. Okay, this is a new thing on board. Then when you use Bodmas, we have to consider this first one because it's a bracket. When we consider it, we bring down these guys because they have nothing to do with our workings for now. Now, you discover that the middle one has division. So in division changes towards multiplication. When you change this, there will be inversion. 8 will flip up with this 7 over 4. So when this happens, 2 will cancel 4, 2 will cancel 8. We then have 6 all over 5 multiplied by 7 times 4 is 28 all over 1. All over 1 plus 7 all over 4. So you discover there. We also have to use Bodmas because we have times. So when you check between multiplication and addition, discover that multiplication comes first. So consider this line first. When we consider it, we say this times this because in multiplication we don't make use of LCM. So when we check it, if you punch it on a calculator, C is multiplied by 5. C is multiplied by 28, forgive me, will give us 168. give you 168 all over 5 times 1 is what? 5. Then with addition of 7 over what? This. Now the next thing is to find the LCM, because in addition and subtraction we look for LCM. Find the LCM of 5 and 4. Here the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. You draw your stuff and put the so-called what? LCM, which is 20. This 20, which is LCM, divided by the first denominator will give you 4. 4 multiplied by 168. Move here, we have addition. 20 divided by 4 will give you what? 5. Multiplied by what? 7 is this. Now we are going to get 4 times 168 is 672 plus 5 times 7 is 35 all over what? 20. So let me take this guy up and make room for everybody. But if you punch it in a calculator, 172 plus 35 is going to give us 707. It's going to give you 707. It's going to give you 707. We have 707 divided by 20. So if you want to get this, if you are using calculator, you want to know the best way to go about it. Just divide 707 by 20. It will give you 35.35. When it gives you 35.35, you take the first number before, you take the numbers before the decimal point. We have 35 here, and this number becomes your whole number. Then all you need to do is say that number, which is 35, use it to multiply the denominator. The denominator is 20. So you discover that 35 times 20 will give you 700. Now what are you going to add to 700 to get 707? You know, it is 7. Now with 20 being this. So these two guys are the same. So this is how we go about this. I just have to teach you the short form of going about this.